6-speaker setup, carbon fiber 6.5s, all PRV by the way. Tweeters, 6.5 carbon fibers, the 450s, 10W1000s in the bags, steps in 1200, kicking the 10s. We got a Sound Digital 1200 4, 2 ohms running the carbon fibers. We have a Stepson 404 running all the tweeters on a Rockford Fosgate DSP. We're not going to go into more details of how we tune and how we set it up, but definitely an EarthX 1600 amp battery necessary to play something of this nature. These bags are not reinforced. These are simple factory OEM bags. We will share that they are ported. You got to, if not, the bags will want to blow up. Very important, the original manufacturer of inner rings. SPO baggers, Team Gelato out of Wisconsin. Obviously, we do a little modification to them because we make them look really nice. 10-inch woofer rings. They're port in the back, made, measured, and designed just for this type of setup. Their rings, we obviously leather them up in order to fit. But all this is made by SPO baggers. They're the original makers of this type of setup. These rings are designed specifically for 2014 and above. Center mount, don't have to cut none of the retaining pins. They're the best at it. Nobody else.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kind of hard being Snoop D or Double G. But I somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. Man, I kick a little something for the G's and make a few million in my friends. 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the liquor room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too.